What is up guys, it's Jordan and meet the PHYLAX ONE. This is a beast of an HPA M4 rifle handcrafted by the PHYLAX guys in Germany. This pre-upgraded airsoft replica is an absolute beast with a clean range across the whole map at ShellShock. This thing also has an amazing trigger response for some really fast semi-auto fire rates. Silo Events and PHYLAX Airsoft have given me the chance to test this thing out and make a video for you guys on this absolute beast of an airsoft replica. Today we're of course back at ShellShock playing kill confirmed on the first game and capture the juggernaut on the second game. But more on that second game mode later. For now we need to make sure to collect more dog tags than the enemy team and crush them. Special thanks to Silo Events and PHYLAX Airsoft for sponsoring this video and making this video possible. Let's get to it.
Yep.
Thanks. Rood.
Dat maar roepen lopen hoor. Dat maar roepen. 7, 8, 9, 10. Start man!
Because we need to capture these tags and take them back to our spawn, I decide to move back to the spawn to safely deposit them in our box, to avoid the enemies taking them back from me. Hit. Yo.
Ik ga er nu net even in spannen, maar ik vind het een beetje kut om te gaan spannen killen.
Ja, dat is ook weer zo wat hè.
Ik wou eens die graftol erin klimmen, maar...
Ja, kan wel. Alleen dan zit je wel echt open, man.
Ja, maar ik denk niet dat we zomaar naar boven gaan om heel fucking shit te pakken.
Nee, dat denk ik ook niet. Nee. Zijn ze alweer doorgelopen? As we get into the second half of the game, we're in front big time. I've only collected 2 tags so far, but I've made a lot of kills and I really supported my team. If we just push on a bit more, we'll be sure to win this game.
Lekker.
In het bos?
Nee, maar die
Oh ja, ik zie hem. Hit! Waar dan?
8. Godver.
Oh!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ja. Hit! Hit! Alright, that's the end of the kill confirmed game. We ended up winning it by far. Now, into the fun one. There's a juggernaut on the field, which is hostile against both teams. We need to escort this juggernaut on the central bunker of the ShellShock field. We do this by grabbing both his arms with 2 teammates and he'll walk with us to the bunker. Of course, we'll need to defend our teammates as the enemies are gonna try to kill us and steal the juggernaut from us. This is a cool one. Let's go.
Rechts, hier rechts omheen. Rechtsaf, rechtsaf. Andere kant. Hier kom je er niet in. Kom aan, let's go. Waar zit hij?
Ik zit hier gelijk op de volgende trench zitten ze. Iemand een granaat? Nee.
Nope.
Het!
Waar zit die bunker waar die heen moet?
Hier rondom. Hier voor. Hit!
Daar bij het zwarte spot is...
Yo, go. Rood! Hoi. Hier naar beneden. Nice one, dude.
staan.
Waar?
Ga nou allemaal bij van.
Go, go, go.
Eén zit rechts, één zit rechts. Eén zit rechts. Oh, in dat geval.
Uh-oh.
Maar ook die gasten die jou vast hebben, die wisten helemaal niet meer man.
He's out of ammo.
Hij is uit.
Come on, go, 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 go. Hit.
Sick! What? Shit!
Go, move, 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 move.
Go boys! Go boys! Go!
Trekken.
Hit! Nice shot!
Bro. Pak zijn arm, zijn arm, zijn arm. Anders gaat hij niet mee.
Nog zijn van eruit.
Hij leeft nog, hij leeft nog.
Ja, dan is het één gedaan. Geen sport. Fuck.
Wat gebeurt er?
Marshall.
Fuck.
I try to hold off these enemies as long as I can so my teammates can respawn and come back to me. Man, we're so close to the bunker now.
Hit.
After his death, I see my teammates coming back to the jug. I try to push to the left side to make sure the enemies can't get closer.
Waar is die jug?
Hier.
Zitten ze al met z'n tweeën of niet? Zitten ze er al op? Oké.
That man!
Team rood, hij loopt hier. Hit.
There you have it, guys. The Phylax One. Man, what can I say? I'm just out of words. This is an amazing replica and it's worth every penny. This thing shoots cleanly across the whole map at ShellShock, and yeah, this thing is amazing, man. I love it. A big thank you to Phylax Airsoft and Silo Events for giving me this opportunity to play with this amazing replica and to make a review on it. Man, like I said, I'm out of words. It's worth every penny and I just love this thing. This thing has an amazing fire rate, great trigger response, and like I said, it shoots right across the map on the whole field of ShellShock. Alright, from the ShellShock HQ bunker, this has been Jordan. Thank you guys for watching. Big thanks again to Phylax Airsoft and Silo Events for giving me this opportunity. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!